Work is continuing on schedule for the new Dover Hill Elementary School in Joplin. This is KOAM News at 6. KOAM's Chris Warner stopped by the site to talk with officials about progress on the school and has more.
The construction equipment is nearly non-stop at the site of the new Dover Hill Elementary. Voters approved the new school to replace the two oldest buildings in the district, West Central and Columbia. Superintendent Dr. Melinda Moss says the new building will enhance the student experience.
Handicapped accessibility, special programming space. I mean, we could just go on and on about all the ways that this will bring us up to code and up to adequate standards for our students.
Then there's the two schools soon to be empty. Columbia is not structurally sound and unfortunately can't be salvaged.
The plan for Columbia is that we will raise that building, and there's been some community interest as far as the property that it sits on.
West Central, on the other hand, is still in good shape, and Dr. Moss says there's been some interest in the building from the community, but they haven't made a final decision yet.
But I do not believe that we'll see it sitting vacant for long.
There are currently 3 bus routes for Columbia and West Central, and Transportation Director Justin Henson says they'll expand that to 4. Director of Facilities Dave Pettit says traffic is one of the #1 concerns for the new schools. They've planned an entrance off of Murphy Boulevard with 2 lanes in and 1 lane out,
which will allow us to stack about 170 to 180 cars so that either during drop-off or dismissal we have plenty of room to queue those cars in off of Murphy Boulevard to help cut down on any traffic that could take place at Main and Murphy Boulevard.
Of course, the coronavirus pandemic came about after the school was first brought up, which has led to some changes to the new building.
One of the main things that we're looking at changing is the HVAC system for this particular building will be upgraded for the filtration system.
In Joplin, Chris Warner, KOAM News.
Pettit says Columbia and West Central hold about 200 students each. Officials say the new school will have a capacity of 450 and could be easily expanded as the city grows.